Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing blueprints and blocking the engine block in simple shapes so proportions are correct. This gives you a live foundation to refine. Once done, set scene units and scale. Use for motorcycle parts to avoid later mismatches. You should create separate collections for moving parts versus static parts and name them clearly to drive animation constraints. This immediate structure saves hours. You will model with intent, not guesswork. Now you model the complex mid-stage. Carve valve seats and draft ports so airflow is realistic, and model piston rings with slight gaps for motion. As you build camshafts and timing components, add constraints. Follow paths for chains and drivers for gears, so kinematics are preserved. Make sure to retopologize high detail areas to control deformation and set material ID for later texturing. These steps make the eventual rigging and rendering. You now rig the engine. Place pivots at bearing centers and link pistons to the crank via accurate sinusoidal drivers so motion matches stroke length. Once done, animate at realistic RPM values, bake caches, and set render passes, diffuse, specular, Z, and motion vectors for flexible compositing. Make sure to apply motion blur and sample settings to avoid noise. Finally, test a short loop to confirm timing and prepare final
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.